Hello, this is Brandon with the Band Group, and today we'll be looking at basic tips when using Copilot with Microsoft 365 apps such as PowerPoint and Microsoft Outlook. Next, we're going to look at Microsoft PowerPoint. When using Copilot with PowerPoint, the goal is to help you create your presentation, push you in the right direction, or you can even use it to summarize your overall presentation or components within your presentation. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and give my Copilot a prompt. Create a presentation. Benefits of sleeping early. All right, now that our Copilot has finished, we can see here this is the generated presentation that Copilot has provided for us. As you can see, it even pulls images from the internet related to our search to help with our presentation. If we do want to modify this, you can always edit it. You can always open up the designer tab here to rearrange the different designs. Now if I open Copilot back up, and now I want to say summarize my presentation in 10 bullets. And here is the summary of this presentation. Lastly, we'll look at Outlook. In the middle of our ribbon, we have our Copilot icon. And as you can see, we have a couple options. The first option is Draft with Copilot. This will help you create an email from scratch. Or we have Coaching by Copilot, which will analyze your already pre-made email and offer suggestions on how to improve it. For this example, we will go with Draft, and we will go ahead and enter our prompt. And then go ahead and click Generate. Right, and then here's one suggestion. Again, if I want to see an alternate suggestion, I can click Regenerate. If there are any changes I want to make, let's say I want this to sound more formal. Let's go ahead and add in that. And here we go. We have a more formal example of the email. So I'll go ahead and use this. And now I have a good template to go off of. Thank you for joining me for this basic tips and tricks on Microsoft 365 apps and Copilot. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.